I did not know what happened to this phone, but as you can see, this phone has passed through a lot. And there is something I like about Apple products. A phone might be damaged like this, but this phone will still be working fine. It's just amazing. Like, you guys, just watch me as I fix this 12 Pro Max. The customer brought it, and in the screen, the back cracked, everything scattered. I did not actually believe that the phone could still be working, but I actually changed the screen. It was working. So I just changed the screen and the case, and the phone works perfectly fine after I finish fixing it. So guys, just watch to the end for the final results.